unboxing the Peplink Maritime 20G antenna. This is the cellular 5G antenna that also supports GPS. Upon opening the box, we have this heavy-duty metal L bracket. It has multiple points for attachment. Then we have the U-bolts and screws that allow for mounting the antenna onto a pole. Next, we've got a rubber gasket that goes between the base of the antenna and the marine mount that I have just below here. There's a little cap in here too for plugging one of the holes if needed. The antenna itself comes in IP68 rated and a UV-proof housing. Its dimensions are 3.78 inches in diameter and 19.04 inches in height. At the base of the antenna, we have 3 cables total, which are 6.5 feet long. Each one is labeled. 2 are for cellular, LT1 and LT2. These are all SMA male connectors. You also have a third that is labeled GNS, S for the GPS connection. There you have it, the Peplink Maritime 20G antenna, unboxed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this.